Worried!
Nervous! I believe it just got our heads cam package, I think, was it. And valve covers, and a catch can, and a P3 wideband gauge. This is like the same thing as the one we just did, like, I don't know how many episodes ago, but we just did it like 3 days ago. This one already had an MSD on it. So did the other one, I think, though. You notice in the video, since we have a lot of tuners and critics, that the wideband on the dyno is not working. I had to buy a new module from Dyno Jet. It's like a once-a-year thing. But it has a wideband in the car. So I'm going to go off of that. And since we don't have the one on the dyno, and it won't be here till tomorrow, but it's no issue. I can still tune it even if it didn't have a wideband, but it does, so we're good. This thing also on the baseline, I think, had full E in it. Because when Matt put in the gauge and shit yesterday, when he got it all hooked up, it said like 75% E. So that's why the baseline will look high compared to the pump gas heads cam setup. Just an FYI when comparing a baseline to the heads cam numbers. One is full E, and then this is pump and full E. So. 47% in it right now.
Okay.
I'll make like one more, and then we'll probably add more E. See where we get. Try and get it up to like at least like 60% probably. But it's doing pretty good so far. I mean, it's hot today, but it's making like exactly what the other one made. I think the other one made like 580 something one done, but like 570 something like with this much E in it, and this just made 570 or 569 or something. I mean, basically 600.
Mm-hmm. That's exactly what you said, so.
Yeah. I mean, it's right on par with all the ones we do, so. Pretty good. Picked up 113, basically, and 36 foot-pounds of torque. And it had more E on the baseline. It had like 75% on the baseline. It's only got like 59 now, so. Go work.
What do you think, Matt? Pretty sweet. I know you're a truck guy, so.
This is my dream truck right here.
Yeah.
Does it ride?
You ride good.
Does it really?
You drive it?
You would think that it like that low,
Nah.
it actually wouldn't. Not that it would ride bad. But just something like that. So you you basically bought their whole chassis.
Yeah. That was awesome. On the chassis and stuff, with the front like that. The front was like shit when I first got it.
Oh, you bought it, not like this, but...
They had no wheels and nothing on it. They had all that stuff.
So somebody had the body and the chassis
Yeah.
and didn't finish it, and then you got here. It had the motor and shit in it, or you did that?
I did all of it.
Did it have a motor in it?
No. It had a wood bed in it. They took all that off.
I think I remember seeing it.
I think so, a picture of it.
I was going to say, I think you might
It
have
had
sent
those
me a
like
picture of it.
C6 wheels on it. C5 with corvette
I
wheels
think
on
I
it.
remember that. That was a little while ago.
Yeah.
The C7 I did probably 3 years ago. Just in for doing flex fuel and our valve cover kit. Make it a little bit easier for him to change plugs and stuff. As you can tell, he road races the f out of it.
That's what he got this side taken off.
Exciting commentary here today, boys, out of Tyler. Monotoned
All right.
narrating.
Do you want me to redo that then? Is that what you're suggesting?
Christ, man.
Today, Junior. I was waiting for that joke. I thought one of you guys was gonna say it.
I did it the other day.
Yeah, you did. Those new valve covers.
Nope, brake calipers.
Brake calipers. Yep. This is a brake caliper. Nice. Fuck a beer.
That's going to be it
Zone.
if it opens. If it opens, we're good to go. If it doesn't, then we're... Oh yeah, baby.
There we go.
Yeah! As Matt would say. Let's hear it, Matt.
Yeah.
His favorite go-to.
Inserts. Come get a look at these. All right.
All right.
God, he will not stop talking about it.
Make sure
What?
you get a shot, so
Oh yeah.
come get a shot of these.
Yeah, mine over here look exactly the same if you want to look something over there.
Yeah. Why don't you go put an eye on those and tell me? Things are looking like scratch cities.
Yeah, what do you think? Exactly the same, huh?
Take it close look.
Exactly the same.
Yeah, thanks. I mean, there's no
Yeah,
difference.
when your camera takes exactly the same photo as my iPhone 8, so why don't you shut the fuck up? Spicy today.
Yeah, he's a little upset. Doesn't take much to get Matt fired up.
So what are you pretty much wrapping this one up?
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, let's do dyno things, I guess.
Good?
Got a baseline of this transport here. What you
Straight
thinking?
as a circle, just like Tyler.
What you thinking?
What am I thinking? What?
What's it gonna make? It's got an LS3, right? So
What do you think?
I don't know. Honestly, I've never I don't even know what these make. So
I'm going with 400.
400. Alright.
400 even.
420.
420?
410. You.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, what's your guess?
390, just because.
There you go.
We'll just.
I know.
Tyler, could get his first win. That was going to be my first guess.
I'm a little uncomfortable about making a guess just off
I don't like anybody hearing my voice.
the base knowledge that I don't have.
All right.
yet. My voice and my hair. I'm still trying to figure that out.
It's fine. It's fine. I deserve it. It's okay.
Man, somebody slapped the wideband in already? You guys are getting serious.
Can we fix Friday again? Yeah,
Got my morning ultra sunrise again, thanks to the owner of the red CTSV. There it is. Delicious flavor.
Yeah, they're like the good old white airheads, you know, you just can't go wrong.
Oh, white airhead's a completely different stereo.
It's weird because I haven't worked on a C6 in a good bit.
Looks like I took the win.
I was close.
Hey, you are. You were 10 off, just like everybody else. What? No. I'll give you one time you quit drinking. That won't happen. Yeah, that's worth more than 110 to him. People say I give you that truck. Yeah, I know. Well, yeah.
Yeah, I would straight up quit.
I don't believe that. I don't believe that.
I'd be a sober motherfucker, man. Yeah! Little wolves in the passenger seat.
469, baby. You heard it here first.
That's not
469.
469.
What do you think, Kyle?
It's 455.
455?
Yeah, I mean, what, this is your first deal 6?
There's a ones that come in with, you know, headers in the intake already are making like 470.
That's 500 speed?
Yeah, I'm looking to go 472.
472?
Ooh, that's 3 away. That's no good. Gotta be at least 5.
Whatever, 474.
Guess
I don't know,
500.
455?
Dude, that's mine.
I don't know.
Can't
He
see it.
literally just said
Shit.
that to you into the camera.
Dude, I have a really bad memory.
I
okay?
mean, Jesus Christ. What, do you got dementia? I mean, he literally said it to you less than 2 minutes ago.
He's too worried, man. He
Yeah,
can't.
he's worried. 469, 474, 455.
460.
Just say 460.
460.
Okay.
To make it,
All right.
I'll pick somewhere in the middle. We'll see.
You're getting a little upset, aren't you?
No,
You know, flustered.
What?
You shaking the shifter or something? Okay.
Yeah, I thought the valve's about to go dummies.
I'll give him a heart attack. Looks like Eric won again.
Yep, that's back to back. You were here first.
I want to give a shout out to the owner of the CTSV who dropped off a bunch of goodies for us, some snacks and some Monster. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.